I too am extremely excited by the amount of data that can be collected once you put a smart device on part of your production floor and part of your production line. The one challenge that we've seen a lot of our customers face when you do that is you've got all of this data now stored in the cloud, but we don't have the proper resources to be able to analyze that and drive action. And so maybe to you, Mark, like, what's one of the solutions to that problem? Because I know that it's common. We've gone through a project to stick smart devices all along our production line, and we've got piles and piles of data, but we don't know just quite yet how to best interpret, analyze, and ultimately take action off of that data.
Yeah, there is a ton of data. I mean, even if you think about cameras and how much information comes and is being stored from images of just somebody working on the line and what that causes. But data scientists and those type of fields are really going to be beneficial to customers as they start to mine their data. Starting with the small projects to gather all the data to learn what is valuable for them. So all the other data that is just running and being produced does not get stored. It flags the anomalies. It flags the information that you've programmed it to look for, and you start to build your decision trees off of what you really need to capture for the data. And the rest of it is only stored for a minimal amount of time or whatever is needed from that. But trying to start small with projects to not be overwhelmed by the data is a fine line that customers have to learn through their first, second projects. So then as they continue to rinse and repeat, they know what they're looking for and how much data they need to store. And then it's being creative and figuring out ways to store your data and keep it accessible for you.